So here I am in New York. There's a fire alarm going off at the airport. So what do I do, right? You're in the middle of the airport. There's a fire alarm going off. They're doing an investigation, right? So I'm gonna continue going to my flight. See that over there? That is an exit, right? So you're in a public environment and things start to kick. Anytime you're in a public environment and you're around high volumes of people, there are a number of different risks, but one of the main risks is getting trampled. And so what you want to do is you want to find the quickest way out of here that other people are not going to know exists, right? The way to get out of the environment where you're not rolling with the flow of traffic, the way to get out of the environment that's quickest, most efficient, and most effective. So as I continue moving to my gate, you see that right there? That's another one. I'm going to continue paying attention to where my exits are, and I'm going to continue paying attention to what staff is doing. And so also like the Tijuana zebra principle, where it's like you look at the people, the indigenous people of the environment, and if the indigenous people in the environment
investigation and found this to be a false alarm. We apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused you. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention?
It's a false alarm. So when you're in public spaces, make sure you know where the exits are. Try to pre-position yourself strategically where the exits are. Look for the exit that not everyone's going to use. Try to find an exit that you and your family can escape through. Those things. That is discreet, you know. If you're at a big concert, maybe going up over the top of the stage is the move, rather than running for the exit that everyone's aware of. Have some medical supplies on you and start getting yourself, your biology, your physiology, and that mindset to where if you hear gunshots or if you hear something happening or there's a fire that's taken over the building, you'll already know where you're going, because most civilians, one, will want to believe nothing will happen. Two, they'll hit cognitive dissonance and start wondering, I can't believe this is happening. Is this really happening? Why is this happening? Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? All that time is time for you to already left the building with your family. God is good. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.